So snoring is very common. About 50% of people in the US might snore at some point. Sometimes snoring can be caused by things like being overtired, drinking alcohol, maybe eating too late at nighttime, or sleeping on your back. But sometimes snoring can also be a sign of sleep apnea. Some of the other symptoms if you snore that could be concerning for sleep apnea would be things like waking up choking or gasping, having a bed partner tell you you're stopping breathing in your sleep, having uncontrolled blood pressure, being tired during the day, or having unrefreshing sleep. Those are some of the main signs or symptoms to say, hey, maybe this is a little bit more than snoring and I should come in and get a sleep study and get this checked out.